So we have 6 layers. We're looking at the pyramidal neurons in them. And then in layer 5, we're looking at the pyramid. They have some other ones. These guys can burst, but at the layer 6, they only have regular firing. They will always faithfully give you the proper frequency for everything you want to deal with. 2, 3, 4. That's the horizontal networks. The short apical dendrites are those magical neurons which allow loop circuits to talk to network circuits. Up to this point in the book, these are separate. Okay, here is a figure that shows the networks and some loops. Choose a loop circuit, and what that loop circuit does is produce a context called getting dressed. It's the context which has all those little things about putting on shoes, deciding what to wear, competing with the world of fashion. That's the context. Those are general things. And so they're in the network. When you're in the ballpark of, hey, let's talk about getting dressed.
Yes.
So all those yellow, those become yellow. That's going to contact another loop circuit. And it contacts it within the thalamus.
Right. So the thalamus is helping you network this decision process.
And we've just talked about fine-tuning that long apical dendrite. Now the short apical dendrites go from the top into the network. So this is the first time we draw a connection between a loop circuit and a network circuit. So what we've got to do is figure out how you go from pulses in the loop. The bridge is actually the short apical dendrite. Then they'll talk to each other. They're on the same wavelength. And that is what we mean by being on the same wavelength, which is the title of this chapter.